Hey, what's going on? Just thought I'd show you how I am putting my pizzas on the pizza stone now without a peel and without it sticking or anything. And what you do is you put this baking paper, I think in the US you call it parchment paper, on your breadboard, and then put your pizza on. Another thing I like about this method is you can kind of stretch the pizza out on the baking paper and it doesn't stick at all, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so chuck your pizza on there, on the paper. Don't have to use much flour, any flour really either, so and what I do is I just slide the pizza on with the baking paper onto the stone, and so I slide the pizza onto the baking stone with the paper, so like that, and then you can leave the paper on the stone, or after about 30 seconds to a minute of cooking you can slide the paper out. I'll show you when I do it, but just I don't know if it really affects it if the paper there stops the base cooking as much, but it doesn't really seem to. But I guess I'll just make a cheese pizza. Maybe I'll add some capsicum. So yeah, I just slide the whole thing in, including the paper, and show you. Easy as, never sticks. So and it seems alright on the paper, but like I said, if you want, you can let it cook for a minute or so and then just pull that paper out from underneath. So if you want to take the paper out after it's been cooking for a while, you can just tug it out. And yeah, still you can still, it's still cooking on the bottom, all good, so it's probably alright with it. Take it out anyway. Okay, so yeah, when I take it out, I put it on one of these things here and let it cool down for a bit, and yeah, that's it.